Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about OpenAI's newly released model O3. Okay, where do I even start? It's like truly mind-boggling thing. I could have never imagined something like this, not at least not this soon. So let me tell you something. OpenAI has released the O3 model and it uses RL with chain of thoughts. It's like reinforcement learning with chain of thoughts method. Something they have also applied in their previous model O1, right? We have discussed about that. First, let's take a look at SW benchmark. As you know, the SW benchmark has become one of the most important indicator these days. So now you can see here. Previously, we have achieved 49% with Claude 3.5, which was the highest at that time, right? Which was the highest. Now let's see how O3 performs. Okay, take a look at this, man. It has not only surpassed the Code Forces benchmark. We'll talk about this Code Forces benchmark later. But it has also blown away the SW benchmark by a significant margin, you can see. Now our SW benchmark is stand at 71.1% accuracy, which is like really huge. It's like really impressive. I can't emphasize enough here. Okay, so let's get back to our Code Forces benchmark. So O3 has achieved 175th global rank on Code Forces. It's not a like it's really a big deal. I can't explain it like how big this is, but let me tell you why I am saying it's a huge thing. Because if you talk about a college student or a graduate, it takes so much effort and practice to reach to this point or to this level. So this achievement feels both amazing and a little scary. But it is what it is. We need to adapt this advancement quickly. So one more thing, O3 model haven't hasn't released for public use yet due to the high computation cost, but OpenAI plans to release in the coming months. Just just imagine how it will transform the way we work and approach problem solving. Now let's discuss that point. I don't know if competitive coding is dead or not, but I'll just tell you my perspective. So let's think about in this way. If this model become publicly accessible, how will we validate whether someone solved a core forces problem on their own or with O3's help? Okay, so everyone might start cheating just to secure a high rank. And at one point of time, it will become incredibly difficult to achieve ranking organically. And after some point, ranking might lose their significance altogether. So this could be both as good and a bad thing, but honestly we can't do much about it. It's good to see these kind of advancement, to be honest, from my perspective. Not sure about yours. So let me know in the comments how you think this will impact competitive programming in the future. So yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.